Welcome back. Right, today what I'm going to share with you guys another piece of tutorial using the Leonardo Design Studio. It's going to be another print and cut on a piece of sticker paper, right? But today the size is going to be different from the normal size of the sticker paper normally people use, because today I'm going to share with you guys how are we going to do the print and cut using the paper size of an A3 size. All right, first, this is just another piece of logo that I'm basically putting onto my canvas down here. All right, first thing I'm going to go into will be, I'm going to hit on the page mark. Okay, and the cutting mat I'm going to use is 12 by 24. And the paper size I'm going to change to A3 size. Okay, so after I have done the basics, I'm going to go into down here, the tile array feature down here. Right, so I'm going to click on the tile array, and I'm going to fill the whole page up. Say for example 7. So let's say, and let's hit apply. Okay, so let's try again. Okay, so it's there, and I'm going to go Y. I'm going to fill it up to the max of this A3 size paper. So you guys notice this is going to be a full size of A3. I'm going to go all the way to the max. Okay, we will use the print and cut feature, this Siser Juliet, right? So I will hit apply. There are total of about 70 pieces down here. So let's hit apply. Okay, so after when I hit apply, okay, you can see they are off. So I just need to do a little bit aligned. Back. Oops, sorry about that. I'm going to select the whole thing. Okay, and I'm going to drag so that it fits. Yeah, so this is it. Okay, so it basically fits everything down here, right? There are 70 pieces. So the next thing what I'm going to do will be, I have to save this file in PDF, because I do not actually have a A3 printer or a large format printer order for me to do. So because the Leonardo Design Studio we can be able to save this file in PDF. So we can save in PDF, we can send it to a print shop, and we can actually print it externally, and we can bring the sticker paper back, and we let the Siser Juliet to be able to scan and cut it up. All right, so the steps going to be, I'm going to send the designs down here. Okay, I'm going to send this design. So I'm going to we're going to change the select printer. We're going to select onto a label printer, right? So after we select a label printer, we can actually set the paper size. I'm an A3 down here. All right, so we hit OK. Okay, so this will be the crop mark. Okay, so the four corners are actually the crop mark. So we actually drag it in, so to be able to fill it in. All right, so there you go. So everything is being filled up. Okay, if you guys notice on the left hand side down here, okay, so this is the print work and this is the cutting, right? So this is the cut file and this is the print file down here. Okay, so the next thing what I'm going to do, okay, I'm going to click this printable PDF, and we're going to save this as a save PDF artwork. So after when it's done, you can actually save it to your external. You can bring it out to your print shop, and you can actually print this out, and we will actually take back the printed copy to stick onto a piece of 12 by 24 cutting mat. Okay, so from there, okay, we will actually proceed to cut. All right, so back onto the because this is a comparison video between two cutting machines, the Siser Juliet and the Cricut Maker. It doesn't matter whether it's a Cricut Maker or Cricut Maker 3 or Explore Air 2, because we're going to compare the print and cut feature on both of this machine. All right, so after when it's being done, I will actually come back and show it to you the next process of it. Okay, first to go, I'm using a standard grid mat. Okay, so this is the standard grid mat, and this is the one I'm going to use the Juliet, okay, the Siser Juliet, to perform this print and cut feature down here. All right, first of all, we need to adhere the sticker paper onto the cutting mat, right? Okay, so just adhere the sticker paper onto the cutting mat. Alright, thereafter what we'll do is we'll actually put it into the Juliet machine. Okay, let me move it so we can see a proper view. Okay, so I'm gonna align my cutting mat on the edges of this folding line down here, this edge down here, just to make sure that it's aligned in straight line. Okay, then I will lift it up to secure my cutting mat. Alright, so the next thing will be I have to align my blade to the edge of the crop mark. So it always starts at the bottom left. Okay, right now it's scanning the crop mark. You can be able to see at the edge down there. Alright, so right now it is actually in process of cutting the A3 size sticker logo. Okay, so we will see that is the default speed at 10. Okay, they are really quiet. Okay, so we already did the test cut earlier, so it should be fine. Okay, we will come back when it's done. Okay, so it's done. We will actually remove the cutting mat. Okay, so let me pull out the... Okay, so it's done. Let's remove this sticker paper from the cutting mat. Alright. Okay, so just to make sure that everything is perfectly done, so we can be able to peel off this backing paper. Okay, so there you go. Okay, so it's done. Oops, I pulled that out as well. So just to make sure that everything is perfectly cut, right? Let me use the weeding tool. There you go. So we have a sticker. Okay, so the next thing will be we will go into the Cricut machine and we will see the performance.